झालं.
Good afternoon to all the participants and respected our resource person, Professor Y.M. Deshpande from VNIT Nagpur. And welcome to the third session of day 4. And the topic is life skill development, developing critical and problem solving skills. So I formally welcome you, sir. It is our pleasure to have with you. You will be, sir, having 1 hour 30 minutes for this session. You may extend it because there is no session after this. So this is the schedule, and I kept all the participants in the attendee because there will be a unnecessary noise, so it may create any disturbances. So once your session completes, or in between, if you want to interact, I can unmute all those participants and they cannot directly interact with you. So now I formally invite Professor Yogesh M. Deshpande, and he is a professor of psychology and also the head of the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences at Visvesvaraya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur. His area of research includes Indian studies, culture, margin of mind, pedagogy of teaching, Facebook, and Indian music. He has more than 20 published research papers and many books he has written on his name, and guided many scholars. Not only he is a consulting psychologist and educationalist, storyteller, industrial trainer, motivational speaker for premier corporate houses, and work as a columnist for newspaper. He is also associated with Doordarshan Kendra, Mumbai, and Gyanwani FM. So with this, I formally welcome you, sir. So we have the participant in the different stream. It's not only humanities. I think some of our engineering and also from the science background. So with this, I formally welcome you. Over to you, sir.
Deepak, good afternoon. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I hope all of you can see me.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Deepak, I will be requesting that for my session, the mic should be on, and even the cameras, when I will be asking, the camera should be on. Okay?
Okay, sir. No issue, sir. No issue.
Okay.
I will do it.
Please. Did you tell them what was my topic of today's presentation?
Yes, sir.
Can you repeat
because they
it
have
again?
the schedule. They have the schedule, so
no,
they know
that is okay. Can you just repeat it? What is my title for today's session?
Life skill development, developing critical and problem solving skill.
Critical and problem solving skill. Interesting. कष्टाच्या छिन्नीनं आयुष्य कोरत प्रयत्नांचं मंदिर उभारलं की कष्टाची कीर्ती होते, संकटाची सुवर्ण फुलं होतात. आणि तुम्हा सगळ्यांना माहित आहे की अशा प्रकारे मी तुमच्याशी जेव्हा एका मराठी भाषेत बोलतो तेव्हा तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना इतकी मजा येते की मी काय बोलतोय तुमच्याशी, आणि तुम्हाला काय वाटतंय माझ्या या भाषणातून याची तुम्ही पुरेपूर मजा घेता. बरोबर आहे? आय होप यू आर गेटिंग माय लँग्वेज, ऑल ऑफ यू. येस ऑर नो? Come on. Okay. Okay. No. Okay.
So I don't know what's happening. What is the discussion now?
No.
They're responding through chat.
काळ हा विशाल बुद्धर सुंदर लेखी ज्ञात तुझा निघना त्या विक्रम काही English is preferable. That you are not getting what I am saying. Interesting. As all my students, those 57 students, English is preferable. Okay. I was planning to speak in Telugu today, but I tried speaking in Marathi, and my people, they are saying English is preferable. Why English? I don't understand. Anyway, that is perfectly all right. Okay, let me try a different language. I will go for a language called Hindi. आत्यांतिक व्यक्तिवाद, भौतिकवाद, नीतिमत्ता का ह्रास, बढ़ती हुई गुनहगारी, सदाचार, व्यक्तित्व का आधार, इन सभी पहलुओं पे जब हम नजर रखते हैं तब पता चलता है कि भारत उन्नति की चरम सीमा की ओर अग्रसर होने जा रहा है. क्या आप जानते हैं? नई प्रेरणा से अनुप्राणित, नई शासना से अभावित हमारा शासन जब कह रहा है कि हमारी नींव की ईंटें कहां है, तब आप सब लोगों को यही कहना है, वंदे मातरम. आई होप आर यू गेटिंग नाउ? आई एम स्पीकिंग, ट्राइंग टू स्पीक इन हिंदी. I tried to speak in Hindi is perfect. No, I'm asking.
No, sir, Hindi is also little tough.
Hindi
It
is
was
also
pure Hindi, sir.
Hindi is also equally tough. I tried to speak in Marathi. You said, oh, Marathi is not preferable. Jajau joja jijin jaji tam tatoti tatati tum bhavo bhi bhavi bhu bhavu rara rira riri raha. Ame khalam sancharatam ghananam chaya madhassa anugatam nishevya. Udvejitam vrushti virashrayante shrungani yakshani tapavanti siddha. Now you will say, okay, boss, high time. Please either you stop your lecture or Deepak sir, please unmute the speaker today. Just because I tried to speak in different languages, suddenly all of us, about 60, those who are present in this today's bilateral dialogue, we were confused, we are worried, and I know how difficult it is for all of you to attend this FDP post lunch and also in a virtual mode. So I will see to it that how you don't sleep in my class. I'm 50. Okay, okay, okay. The thing is, all of us, when we are trying to understand in this 90 minutes, my age is 50. So since last 26 years, I am teaching. And as a teacher, there is an interesting joke, what I always say, that I see the students in my class sleeping with the eyes wide open. So I will not allow to keep your eyes wide open and sleep. You can unmute your mic and you can either switch off your camera and you can sleep. But the thing is, in this today's 90-minute, we are going to understand why there is a need for you as a research scholar, as a faculty, as a community called teachers, and as the most important thing, something who knows beyond the classroom teaching to understand life skill. That is one. And second important thing, what we will be targeting today, that why there is a need for you. Okay, informally we can use Hindi. Of course, I'm going to use Hindi. But then again, we Maharashtrians, our Hindis are totally different. I'll try to go for that. Important question is, in this 90 minutes, we are going to understand why there is a need in this type of FDP to have the module exclusively devoted to that of psychology and life skill. Deepak, thank you very much. Deepak and me, we have a long association. When I had been to his NIT Uttarakhand a few years back, that time I had interaction with him. Deepak, I wanted to come to Patna, but now with this virtual mode, even though I'm not there, but I am told that all the 72 faculties, those who are attending this module, they are from the Pan India. Interesting. Friends, 90 minutes is too much. I am not going to have monosyllable dialogue. There are PPTs, there are PDF, there are n number of YouTube videos, there are n number of exclusive content available on YouTube or the Facebook or the Psychology Today or a Twitter, or it might be you are having the books, what we are going to refer today. I will be using 4 books, but then the important question is, why there is a need to know something more about the life skills. Friends, as Deepak told you, I am a psychologist, and psychologists are allowed or they are programmed to poke their nose in your lives. So officially NIT Patna, they have allowed me to know something beyond for all the 74 participants, those who are there in this dialogue, number one. And number two, as they say, this meeting is being recorded. By joining, you are giving consent for this meeting. So as this lecture is about psychology, you are giving consent to know something, to tell something about you, about your behavior, and the most important part, how we can make our life more meaningful. बंधु, पीछे करो अध्ययन तुम औरों का, पहले अपने प्रति तो तुम बन न अपने नयन करो. If I ask these 70 students who are present today, what must be the average age of this class? Anyone just unmute your mic and tell me. And now this is the 4th day. Can you just tell me what is the average age of this class? Because for me it is a class, even though it is FDP. Can you just either write in the chat box or just unmute your mic?
27.
Okay, 27. Interesting. Okay, 27.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. Sorry to interrupt
Yeah.
you. We have almost 150 participants, and I think meanwhile they will also join.
No, that is okay. No. I am asking the average age of the students, those who are present, the faculties, those who are there now.
No, that might be possible that they are taking the average of now those who are present. So it might be different also.
Okay. Oh, so a proper researcher cannot assume to understand the trend analysis or the fuzzy logic. He says, boss, this many students are there, another 80 are going to join, so I will not like to comment anything. Interesting. But anyway, 73 people, those who are present today, and even though you are not meeting in person and it is a virtual dialogue, can you just tell me, can you assume or can you have a hypothesis or the hypothetical answer? What must be the average age of this class? Someone said 27. Perfectly all right. Anybody else who will like to say 52 or 72 or 82 or yeah?
34.
34. Okay.
Yeah,
Average
might
age
be 40.
40. Okay. 40. Okay. Anybody who says 70 or 65? Okay. Yeah.
Sir, 50 plus?
Average age is 50 plus. Interesting. Okay. Now, I will consider the class average age is 32. Okay, 35. Okay, interesting. 32 or the range of 30 to 35. Now, all the 75 people, those who are present in this class, and the average age of this class is 32. How many more years we are going to stay on this planet called Earth? Can you just tell me? If we are not going to commit suicide, how many of us we are going to stay on this planet called Earth if the average age of this class is 32? Can you just tell me? Yeah.
So 40 years more?
40 years.
Okay, 40 years more. Okay, 40 years more. Okay, interesting. Okay, 45. Okay, okay, CR 45. Okay, Atal. Okay, okay, interesting. Average age is 30, another 45 years. Amitabh Bachchan's age is 78, and still he works for the movie called Buddha Hoga Tera Baap. Lata Mangeshkar is 90 and she still sings for Preeti Zinta, Jiya Jale, Jiya Jale. Her younger sister Asha Bhosle, her age is 87 and she dances with Milind Soman. Raat Shabnami Bhigi Chandani Janam Samjha Karo. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was in a different phase, but even today, Lal Krishna Advani, he at the age of 93 is still curious whether will he get a chance to be the Prime Minister of India after the Modi 2 regime gets over, or might be our very renowned our Bangla philosopher Rabindranath Tagore was 62 when he started painting, and he became renowned painter at the age of 78. Friends, those all of you are present today, about the 75 plus teachers, please remember, if we are going to stay on this planet for another 45 years, have we given a thought what exactly we are going to do with this life? I am not telling review of research. I'm not speaking about the fuzzy logic. I'm not speaking about the power electronics, about the network theory. I am not going to dwell upon the Laplace equation or the differential equation. I don't want to discuss about the open cast mines, nor I want to go for the cryogenics or the refrigeration pattern of exclusive thermodynamics. The question is, all these 80 people, those who are there in today's class, have you given a thought, excluding your mandatory FDP for 3 days or 5 days, what you call, you get some credit points for either the Atal or the AICT or other format, or at the end of it, all these 80 people, if we are not going to commit suicide, what exactly we are going to do for another 45 years of our life? This is something. So before I proceed further, can I get just few responses? For remaining 45 years, you as a teacher species, come on, don't tell me that we as a teachers, हम विद्यादान के पवित्र उदात्त हेतु विद्यार्थियों के सुप्त गुणों को मूर्त रूप देने के हेतु शिक्षादान का पवित्र कार्य करते हैं. नहीं नहीं नहीं, I don't want. I want you as a teacher, you as a human being, you as a Homo sapien sapien, what are your templates or what are your forms to make your life more meaningful for 45 years? Few responses. Yeah, be quick. Either you can type or you can just unmute your mic. Come on, just tell me. Come on, 80 people. I just want few responses. Another for, okay, okay. Be good human being. Okay, one. Okay. Be good human being is a very dicey phenomena. You can be a good human being. I don't know. You can
I
be
generate leaders in my class.
Okay, one. Okay, interesting. Okay. After retirement, what's your name? Can you introduce yourself? Yeah, come on.
Hello.
Yes, yes, please introduce yourself.
I am Dr. Pawan Patel. I
Yes,
am
Pawan.
also hails from Nagpur.
Yeah.
Okay, I work there now. I am working at Hyderabad in a business school, Shiva Institute of Management. I love to train my students to emerge as a leaders of this country. That's all. I don't have any another objective or agenda in my life.
Okay, interesting. Okay. Someone says, sir, first I want to teach along with farming, extend possible help to others, myself. Okay. Interesting. The thing is, 80 templates will be there. But the important thing is, remember one thing, unfortunately, we are in that jigsaw puzzle. The moment we say that we are teachers, our whole basic focus tries to be more on our teaching pedagogy. Nothing wrong in that. Even you are now all the IITs, NITs, the B schools, they are metamorphosizing themselves with that of not only academics, but also the research side to it. But most important thing is, have you given a thought? What exactly are your issues and problems now? What issues you are going to face? And the most important part, at the age of 50, 60, 70, 80, are you sure that this will be the life skills what I wanted to learn, I wanted to understand, I wanted to explore, which I couldn't do, and I missed the bus? बंधु, as I said, पीछे करो अध्ययन तुम औरों का, पहले अपने प्रति तो तुम बनना अपने नयन करो. यदि ये 80 लोग जो मेरे साथ बैठे हुए हैं, लेकिन मैं जिनको देख नहीं पा रहा हूं, मैं सिर्फ उनके नाम के टेम्पलेट्स देख रहा हूं, किरणमयी पटेल, प्रोफेसर पवन पटेल, सत्यजीत दत्ता, दीक्षा सिंह, रवि चांद, दीपक कुमार बेहरा, देव शर्मा, शुभम किरार सूर्यवंशी, प्रीथा घोष, सिर्फ मेरे लिए आइकॉन है, छोटे छोटे सिंबल्स हैं. लेकिन हम जब यदि बाद में कभी जिंदगी में मिलने का मौका आया और यदि हम लोग बात करते हैं, तब सबसे पहली हमारी अहमियत रहेगी, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वी आर गोइंग टू डू विद आवर लाइफ. रेलगाड़ी में बैठे आप, प्लेटफॉर्म पर खड़े आप नहीं होते, न आगे के स्टेशन के आप होंगे. जहाज के छोर से पीछे मुड़ के आप नहीं कह सकते कि देखो मैंने डाला मेरा भूतकाल पीछे और अब मैं आगे भविष्य को. रेलगाड़ी में बैठे आप, प्लेटफॉर्म पर खड़े आप नहीं होते, न आगे के स्टेशन के आप होंगे. जहाज के छोर से पीछे मुड़ के आप नहीं कह सकते कि देखो मैंने डाला मेरा भूतकाल पीछे और अब मैं आगे भविष्य को. Now friends, when I'm going to speak about the critical problem solving, let's go with the small phenomena. As it is FDP, now I will request all of you to have a paper and pencil and just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers. Just write it. I will ask some questions.
I've switched on my camera, sir. You can see me. I think it will always give a better visual.
Yeah, Revdi, yes.
I'm from Chandigarh, sir. I'm working in one of the universities here, sir.
Okay, interesting. Nice to meet you guys.
Thank you, sir. Same here, sir.
Okay, 86. All of you, are you ready? Just type in the chat box.
So 1 to 10, you will how much? 1 to?
1 to 9. 1 to 9.
Okay.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dosto, it is very easy. The most interesting and the most active books which are happening in the world are these two books. One is Ikegai, Japanese Secret of Long and Happy Life. And this is Ikeko Ichai, the art of making the most of every moment. Basically, they are the templates. But these books are going to help you. I don't know what books you read, what new skills you have learned. But then all those 90 people are there and I am going to get 90 responses. So all now we have a questionnaire. Please mute your mic. Couple of mics are working. Okay. Now the thing is, I will be asking some questions. You will just jot down their answers. Question number 1. You are walking in the jungle. With whom you are walking with? आप जंगल में जा रहे हो, आप किसके साथ हो? Done? Just anyone just write done. Okay. आप जंगल में जा रहे हो, आप किसके साथ हो? Question number 1. You are walking in the jungle. With whom you are walking with? Okay, done. Very good. In the question number 2. In the jungle, you did see an animal. What animal it was? आप जंगल में गए, आपको वहां एक प्राणी दिखाई दिया. कौन सा प्राणी था? उसका नाम लिखिए. Done? Okay, done. Very good. What interaction took place between you and that animal? What interaction took place between you and animal? आपके दरमियान क्या घटा? ओके ओके, उस प्राणी और आपके दरमियान क्या घटा? Done?
It's a third question.
Okay. First was you went in the jungle, with whom you were there.
Yes.
Number 2,
Yes.
what animal did you see? Number 3,
Okay.
what interaction took place between you and that animal? What interaction took place between you and that animal?
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
You went in a jungle, you found an open space. There you had your dream house. Explain its size. आप जंगल के अंदर गए, जंगल के अंदर खाली जगह पर आपको सपनों का घर दिखाई दिया. डिस्क्राइब इट्स साइज. वो जो घर है आपके सपनों का घर, उसका साइज एक्सप्लेन कीजिए. Done. Done. Okay, don't write answers. Answers we will discuss afterwards. Done.
Sir, the fourth question, sir. The
हाँ,
dream.
आपके सपनों का घर आपको जंगल में मिला, उसका साइज एक्सप्लेन कीजिए.
So
हो गया?
yes, sir.
Okay. Whether your dream house was surrounded by the fence or it was open. आपके सपनों का घर कंपाउंड से घिरा था कि उस ओपन था. Whether the dream house was open or it was surrounded by the fence. Done? Done? Okay,
Yes.
done. Very good. Okay, done. You entered in the house. What did you find in and around the dining area? आप घर के अंदर गए, डाइनिंग एरिया के इर्द गिर्द आपको क्या दिखाई दिया? You entered home. What did you find in and around the dining area? आपको डाइनिंग एरिया के इर्द गिर्द क्या दिखाई दिया? हो गया? Done. Very good. Okay, done. Very good. You entered in the house. When you came back from the backside, you found there was a glass lying on the lawns of the backyards. What material the glass was made of? आप घर के बाहर पीछे आंगन में आए, पीछे लॉन पर पड़ा आपको एक प्याला दिखाई दिया. वह प्याला किसका बना था? चांदी, लोहा, सोना, कागज, पेपर, प्लास्टिक. लिखिए. You saw a glass was lying on the lawn. What material the glass was made of? Shuvashan, I'll come again back to you after returning from jungle. No, you are still in a jungle. Shushovan. Okay, interesting. Interesting name. Again, I'll repeat. आपको आपके घर के पीछे लॉन पर एक ग्लास प्याला पड़ा हुआ दिखाई दिया. वह किसका बना हुआ था? Done. Very good. Very good. What did you do with that glass? उस ग्लास का आपने क्या किया? What did you do with that glass? What did you do with that glass? Done? Yes, very good. And the last question. There you found a water body. what type of water body it was. घर के पीछे जंगल में खाली जगह पर आपको पानी का समूह दिखा, वे किस प्रकार का था? चुल्लू भर डूब मरने के लिए था, नदी थी, तालाब था, टैंक था, कुआं था, मुझे मालूम नहीं. There you found a water body. What water body it was? Just tell me. Done? What type of a water body you found? Okay, interesting. Done. Very good. Done. Done. Very good. So all 95 people, we have 95 yes, 95 answers ready. Very good. Okay. Okay, done. Very good. Friends, to know the exact nature of psychology is like painting an ocean with seas and gulfs, thousands of fishes and millions of basic pattern. And so now when I say that you as a teacher, you as a research scholar, you as a professor, associate professor or assistant professor, I don't know why this hierarchy is so important in teaching fraternity. All of us, we are teachers basically, even though we go and present papers or even though we try to go for very interesting assignments which are otherwise non-academic, non-clerical, but there is something in our NIRF and might be now with this our 4-tier system called the credit calculation, which plays a very important role. So all of us, we are basically teachers. But the important thing is we just forget that first we are Homo sapiens sapiens. And the moment I say that we are Homo sapiens sapiens, it's not the class of a biology or anthropology or even the social psychology. We just want to understand one thing, that we have our own idiosyncrasies, aims, ambitions, personality issues, level of aspiration, and the most important thing, the need for a purpose in life. Long back, 1600 years back, the interesting case was the first Adi Shankaracharya asked a very pertinent question. Kastvam koham kuta ayatha kame janani kome tata. From which planet you are coming on this earth? What exactly you are planning to do on this earth? And what is the ultimate purpose for which you are living on this earth? So this is something interesting. You know, now I'm getting conditioned to read who is quitting the meeting due to my boring lecture. And so I will be focusing more rather than having the interaction with you. Anyway, I am just going to put the hand like this. So I will not know how many of you are leaving my class. The class is okay. Question 1. You are walking in a jungle, with whom you are walking with? Come on, answers now. You are, yeah, answers.
So I've written myself.
Okay, myself, friend. Come on, now you can type it down so I can see easily. Friend, family, nature, my future
Family.
husband. Okay, family, interesting. Okay. My children. Okay, Hari says my children. Okay, alone. Archita Paul, family. Chinmay says alone. Okay, okay. My best friend Pritha says okay, interesting. Deepak Bagri with girlfriend, perfectly all right. Madhukunta, myself, okay. Rivti Chand, myself, okay. My thoughts. Hey, my thoughts कुछ नहीं होता. मैं और मेरी तन्हाई, झूठ नहीं बोलना है. Okay, my thoughts. Okay, okay, okay. Alone. Friends, okay. I got the answers. Okay, okay. Interesting. Family members, myself. This is a test which is being developed. Okay, this is a test which is being developed by Rosenzweig. He was a very renowned psychologist. Friends, psychology is not the binary science. As all of us we know, our life is non-linear. Our life is it speaks about the fuzzy logic. It is non-binary. It is non-linear. Psychology always believe 2 + 2 should be 22, not 4 or 5. So that is the beauty of the life skills. And all of us, we know at the age of 34 that jungle is not a jungle and there are no algorithms but the heuristics which will help you to understand the terrain of unseen problems, issues, opportunities and the hard times. So the person with whom you are walking in the jungle, where jungle is not the jungle, but the metaphor for your terrain where you want to explore your challenging times, is the most important person in your life today. Most of the women, interestingly and surprisingly, they write my husband. Most of the husbands, they write my friends. Those who are unmarried, they say my girlfriends. And those who are unmarried men, they say my, or the other way around, right? My girlfriends and boyfriends. But the interesting case is, not all the time that they will play the important role. But then, did anyone write ghost or a god or a fear or the shadow? Okay, Kundan says my brother, Raman Prasad says colleagues, Shalu says myself. Anybody who has written something called shadow, god, or ghost or a fear? Please, anyone? Okay. Anyone from this class? Okay. Colleagues, brother. Okay, it's interesting. Did anyone write something different? Okay, nothing. You saw an animal in the jungle. What animal it was? First, let's categorize. Lion, tiger, wolf in one category. A dog we cannot see in a jungle. Huh? Come on. This is not a domestic. Okay. Okay. Lion, bear, dog, tiger. Okay. Dog, bear, dog. Okay. Tiger. Okay. Deer. Anyone who could see some. Okay. Snake. Okay. Lion, wolf, ant. Okay. Okay. Wolf, tiger, deer. Okay. Peacock. Okay. Ravneet peacock. Interesting. Deepak rabbit. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Interesting. Lion. Okay. Bigger the size of the animal, bigger the ferociousness of the lion. Okay, we will come. People, those who have put the categories in lion, tiger, wolf, they mostly, not all the time, perceive their issues are the tricky issues. They see the problem is huge. And people who said rabbit, peacock, deer, monkey, they usually, again, this is all hypothetical, this is all non-linear, but then these people usually see that they can be managed. Now question next, what interaction took place between you and that animal? First let us go other way around. गरुड़ किसने लिखा है और कुंदन लिखते हैं पांडा. कुंदन माइक ऑन कीजिए और मुझे बताइए आपको पांडा कहां से दिखाई दिया. और विवेक दीक्षित आप गरुड़ लिखे हैं, बताइए दोनों. कुंदन और विवेक पहले बताइए. Can I get
Sir,
these
in a
two guys?
general.
Okay, yeah, okay, okay. Kundan, is it Kundan or Vivek?
Kundan.
हाँ कुंदन, जनरली आपने लिख दिया है ना, ऐसा कुछ जवाब नहीं था. और क्या आपने क्या लिखा था, लिखा क्या था आपने?
Panda.
It's my
Panda.
brother.
Yes, it is panda.
Okay, okay. I took my step behind. Okay, good. So I will interpret snake also. I took the step behind the moment I saw bear. Okay, Garud is a type of a big goat. Okay, okay. I took my step behind the moment. Okay, I saw. Okay, okay, interesting. Friends, again, let me tell you, the interesting case is how you are going to react in a challenging situation plays the important role. In most of the NITs and the IITs, the head of the department is by rotation. But I have seen many teachers, for no reason, whosoever is the teacher, they get bouts of fear to interact with him. I have seen many people, those who even cannot go to a theater and watch a movie alone. By the way, how many of you can go to a theater and watch a movie alone? आप लोग कितने लोग हो? अभी लिखिए मत, मुझे माइक से जवाब दीजिए सर. कितने लोग हैं जो अकेले थिएटर जाके मूवी देख के आते हैं?
I can be
Sir, yes, sir.
हाँ.
Me,
Yes,
sir.
sir. But it should
Okay,
not
great,
be a
okay.
ghost movie.
All the time, sir.
अच्छा, okay, all the someone said all the time. Okay, interesting. Anybody
Yes.
else?
Sir, this is Preetha, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, it is yes,
Sir, most
but
of
of
the
course
time.
it must not be a ghost movie.
Okay, Pritha says if it is not a ghost movie, I can go. So you enjoy comedy alone without having the sprite of laughter with the friends, Pritha?
Sir, right now I'm enjoying your lecture. It's
I hope
awesome.
Okay, interesting. No.
Thank
The
you.
question is, people again, I'll tell you. Okay, Aishwarya Gupta says, okay, great. Okay, interesting. My question is, as a teachers, all of us, we are omnipotent, very strong Superman in the class. But the moment we are out of the class, suddenly we become subservient, we become weak, we become with a drooping shoulders as if we are spineless guys. Again, this is not condescending comment. This is not something I want to belittle our teaching profession. But teachers behave differently in the class and teachers behave differently as a community outside the class. It's not about how many Scopus SCI publications you have. It is not something how many lakh projects you have. It's not about the STTP organized or STTP conducted. It's also not about the outreach activities of Akhanda Bharat or might be the Shreshta Bharat. It is your ability to understand how strong you think you are. There was a psychologist called Cooper Smith. He said self-esteem, image of self-worth. How many of you think you are worth of doing something important? I am not Murari Bapu. I am not Asaram Bapu. I am not Ramdev Baba. I will not ask you to, just rub your nail and just to, which will convert your white hair into black. No way. This is not the magic. But at the end of a day and at the beginning of a day, are you ready to live your life in a more meaningful pattern? Is something what we are talking about. You entered in your jungle, you found open space, you found your dream house. How big it was? Tell me. Yes. Yes, come on, tell me. You entered in the jungle. Okay. Yeah. Okay. A small hut started. Okay. He's. Oh, come on. Come on. How big your dream house was?
Large with fence, sir.
Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Large. Who says large?
Shaheen, sir. Shaheen Begum.
Okay. Shaheen, please elaborate how large it was.
Sir, it was very large.
No, very large
Because
is how
it
much?
is a jungle, we don't have any limitation of space, no, sir. So
No, Shaheen. That is what I'm asking. Fertility of imagination. Did you have helipad? How many boats were sailed in your personal harbor? How many thousands of servants' rooms were there? Did Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt have their servants' quarter where they used to come to go for the Bartan Manjna and taking your rabbits and dinosaurs out? I don't know. I'm asking. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yes, sir. It was large, but with fence because it is a
Okay,
jungle.
I'll come. Shaheen, wait. A big palace, one big room, a big palace, a small cozy hut with a large farm around, a two-storied building, a big palace. Okay, interesting. 2 BHK. Hari Kalyani says 2 BHK. Interesting. Friends, how many of you, by the way, and when the average age of that's why I asked the average age. The average age of this class is interestingly just in early 30s. No one is committing suicide. So how many of you, those who are in the class today, about 106 plus, want to be the vice chancellor of your university? Or how many of you, those who are from the NIT and the IIT structure, that they want to be the director of their institutes? Not today, not after 4 years, but 10 years down the line, my aim is to be the vice chancellor, or my aim is to be the director of my institute. Yeah? Anybody? Pritha, what is your aim? Will you like to be the director or the vice chancellor? Or Shurveer Singh? Yeah, tell me. Yeah?
Yeah. A director, most probably, sir.
Okay. Revati, again, no, sir. Perfectly all right. Not right, not wrong. But please remember, when I speak about the skills and the life skills, how many of you have your consultancy projects? I am a teacher of humanities. So, in engineering fraternity, most of the engineering faculties, they look down upon humanities teacher. Arey, ye to psychology wala hai. Arey, ye to English wala hai. Arey, ye to sociology wala hai. So they have a very condescending, sarcastic approach. But interestingly, one day I realized, boss, if I want to do this, what I can do? So now I'm not boasting, but then I had n number of proposals, and now till date, I have consultancies which are worth more than 17 crores. It's not something big. Even the ministry helped me a lot. I was the head for the DASA, that is the direct admission of student abroad. That time I got a huge exposure, and I realized that we as teachers, we are more sincere, we are more hardworking, we are more efficient. We don't share the responsibility for doing the clerical work, and we are pro-friendly, we are pro-people. But beyond trying to just be extra pally with the students, we don't use these virtues when we go for the networking. I hope all these 104 students or the teachers, those who are there, you have found your own WhatsApp group. At least you know who are the teachers, from what departments they are there. And the most important part, for which Have you decided that these are my core areas? For example, Kiranyamai is from what stream? Pavan is from what stream? Diksha is from what stream? Okay, yes, sir. Interesting. But the important question is, life skills is not about the emotional intelligence. Life skill is not about the social intelligence. Life skill is not about the ability to achieve bigger things in life. Life skill is not about the academics and the publications of the papers. Life skill is to know something. What I am doing is what I am enjoying. Friends, remember one thing. पथ में शूल बिछे तो क्या चल, पथ में आग जली तो क्या जल, जलती ज्वाला में जलकर लोहा लाल निकल आता है. ये कविता बड़ी अच्छी है, लेकिन हम जैसे साधारण मास्टर लोगों के दुनिया में, जिंदगी में बहुत बड़ी समस्याएं नहीं आती है. तो उन छोटी समस्याओं के लिए जूझने के लिए, एंजॉय होने के लिए, और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज निखर कर आने के लिए क्या आप तैयार हो? माय सिंपल नेक्स्ट is for which I am more concerned. 105 teachers are there. Can you just tell me 2 new skills what you did learn during the COVID? 2 things which will exclude cooking and mopping your floor. The men will say कि हमने झाड़ू पोछा लगाना सीख लिया और खाना बनाना सीख लिया. इसके अलावा tell me 2 new things what you did learn during this corona pandemic. Just 2 things. Yeah. Come on.
Online teaching, sir.
Yeah.
Online teaching.
Online teaching. Okay. Interesting. Online teaching. Okay.
Regular Surya Namaskar and reading Mahabharata.
Okay, reading Mahabharata. Okay, okay, interesting. 16th chapter of Mahabharata, it explains the Daivi Gunaha. Abhayam Sattva Sanshuddhi, Jnana Yoga Vyavasthiti, Danam Damascha Yajneshcha Swadhyayas Taparjavam, Ahimsa Satyama Krodha Tyaga Shanti Paishunam, Daya Bhuteshva Loluptvam Mardvavam Hira Chapalam. Interesting. Abhayam Sattva Sanshuddhi. So now, irrespective whether you have learned to read a Mahabharata, or whether you have learned to use the interface called this virtual media, using the small laptop and discussing something virtually, I'm not concerned. Important thing is, for example, reading novel regularly, video editing skills made my own. Oh, interesting. Aishwarya, please unmute mic for Aishwarya, and Aishwarya, tell us something more about it. Sensitivity also. Yes, Aishwarya.
Sir,
Aishwarya.
I learned the video editing skills with the help of few online courses, and through that I also created my own channel for teaching the students.
How many subscribers you got till date?
Till date, I have around 600 subscribers.
क्या बात है. So do you ask at the end of it कि यदि वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो बेल आइकॉन दबाइए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए? आप बोलती हो कि नहीं बोलती हो?
Yeah, I do that.
Okay, great. I will be happy to see one of your videos. Okay, interesting.
Sure.
Okay, interesting. I enjoy combined family and knew my responsibility in family, Chandan says. Interesting. The important question is for which we are targeting. Excluding this pandemic, if someone learned how to go for a jogging or how to go for the physical exercise, we had a bad tragedy in a family. In the COVID, we stay in Maharashtra, in Nagpur. My in-laws also stay in our same city. My father-in-law died of a COVID. My mother-in-law, she was serious. She was in hospital for 88 days. When she came out of a COVID, she had an accident. And another 60 days again, she was in the hospital. When both of them, they came out, my wife, she was quarantined for 28 days because no one knew how the COVID will take place. Initially, they used to put people under quarantine. My wife, me, both of us, we were positive. Then my brother-in-law got with an accident and he was in hospital with 3 brain surgeries. And the worst part was, that time we realized that we take our life too casually as in an expectant manner. Friends, when I say that people are there around you, remember, people are not around you. At that crucial time when my father-in-law died in the month of May itself, we had a very bad tragic responses. Neighbors stopped talking to us because they thought that someone died in other locality, just because we were talking with them on phone as if we are positive people. Our maids, obviously they were not coming. Neighbors, they had a deaf ear, they did not talk. But interestingly, then we realized that if you want to grow and with the typical problems what we as a teachers are going to face, You are not going to be the mediator between the Kisan bill. You are not going to help either Amit Shah and Modi or Captain Amrinder from the Punjab. We are normal teachers. We are normal human beings. But during our normal day-to-day routine, do we invest in the 4 categories? Do you have your own relatives? Do you have your own working colleagues? Do you have your own neighbors? And do you have your own friends? Please let me tell you, your working colleagues will never be your friends. They can be good. You can maintain positive, good interaction with them. Okay, like Sridhar says, getting contacted with the some of relatives. That was okay. But relatives, friends, colleagues, and neighbors, they are the 4 people where you can connect without any reason. Unfortunately, all of us, with the so-called pace of the speed of life, what we have done? We don't invest the time for which there is no immediate outcome, which is otherwise we think is more important for us. And during the crisis of these 6 months, we realized कौन अपना है और कौन पराया है. और जो लोग बहुत सो कॉल्ड करीब थे, बहुत लाड प्यार से दिवाली में मिठाई आती, काजू कतली आती, जो लोग प्यार से गुड मॉर्निंग के व्हाट्सएप ढेर सारे मैसेजेस भेजते, वो लोग जब सचमुच समस्या आई तब वो दूर चले गए थे. It's not I'm saying ki laugh and world with laugh with you and cry alone. But this crisis helped us to know, are we investing in these 4 categories? Working colleagues. How many of you have your own study group, irrespective of your department? How many of you meet beyond your exclusive work space at least once a month to discuss your research? How many of you collaborate your research with someone not from your discipline, not from your domain? Okay, how many of you are there, you connect as a networking alliance with someone who is not belonging to your own college also? Outreach is something which we as a teachers, we fail miserably. We can be good in documentation. We are obedient teachers, obedient employees, working colleagues. But when it comes of presentation, marketing, when it comes for presenting ourselves to get some more funds, unfortunately, we have a major issue and the lack of, it's not about inferiority complex. We never try to come out of the comfort zone. That was the only reason I started my talk in Marathi. I knew that most of you are not Marathi. But then if in case I had asked you, इसको transliteration कीजिए या translation कीजिए, तो क्या जवाब आता? जवाब अगला आता. The next question, anyway, coming back to it. आपका घर खुला है, open है कि उसके इर्द गिर्द compound है? बताइए. Whether your dream house is open or it, okay, I cannot read. Okay, G says it is open. Okay, Mariam says open. Okay, Shoshan open. Okay, Revati Chan open. Interesting. Okay, Hari Kalyani compound wall. Okay, open. Okay, open. Chandan Raj, it says fence. Open. Okay, majority of you are saying open. Couple of you are saying it's surrounded by the fence. There is no right and wrong answer. Unfortunately, we as a teachers, we perceive that we are extroverts, which is not the truth. I have seen many teachers who are introverts, who are shy, who don't like to mix with others, who take time to break the ice for formal acquaintanceship, but they are excellent teachers. They hone their skills. Okay, I'll come to you. Okay, Sridhar, fence should be there. I'll come to you, Sridhar. The thing is, open means the people are welcome. And like Sridhar, as you say, people, those who have the fence, they only want that when people are barging in, they should be announced before. It is not that they are anti-people. It is not that they are asocial. They are not anti-social. But then unannounced people are not called for. Many a times what happens, I don't know in your institute, like the same question I asked in the earlier, how many of you go and watch the movies? You said, couple of you said, yes, I can go and watch the movie. How many of you now tell me you go to your canteen of the college to have the quick bite of a samosa and a 1/2 tea and come back because your best friend or the colleague, he does not have the same free slot? You go to a canteen, you have the quick samosa or the sandwich or a dosa and you come back. Anybody from the class?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, okay, yes, okay, okay. Interesting. One.
Anpreeta.
Okay, okay, okay.
Me too, sir.
No, no, never,
Yes,
no, never, no, never. See the responses as if it is a crime, as if it is something, you know. Okay, no, sometimes Kundan, okay, Nops. Okay, okay, okay. Nops, Nops, Nops. No. BH says, okay, it's not right and wrong. But then please remember, like, you know, I think I'm a good teacher and we have online registration. So I was feeling very happy that when my courses are on, it takes about 60 seconds that the courses get filled. I take 3 courses, so it doesn't take more than 3 minutes that all 270 seats are filled with that. When we have offline campus interviews, students used to stand at midnight to get my courses. I used to feel very happy and proud about it. But then interestingly, over the years, you know what happened? I realized that students are not there all the time attentive. The so-called the feedbacks was teacher is lazy, he doesn't take attendance. Teacher doesn't give too many assignments. Teacher allows the students to sleep in the class. And the important thing is teacher gives the good pointers. That's why they opted for my course. That was something interesting, you know, like the interesting case was that they used to go for that. But then I used to think that I was a good teacher. But then what we realized, many times it happens that I deliver fully. I try to go for the new topic. But then the student says, sir, मजा नहीं आया. बोला काहे मजा काहे नहीं आया? बोले सर आज ज्यादा क्लास में हंसे नहीं. अरे I am not an entertainer. I am not a joker. I can afford because I teach humanities. But someone who takes the class like the network theory or might be the fuzzy logic or might be something called, something from mining about the optimization or the automation, it will be something interesting. But the important thing is why we are discussing this. The focus is whether you are having the fence or whether you are having the open personality. See to it that your teaching profession has nothing to do with you as a person. You can deliver excellent talk. You can have the good PPTs. Like I had seen many teachers, they only ask students to give the topic. They go for the PPT presentations and at the end of it, the PPTs are ready. They come on, उनको लखलाभ रहे. लेकिन यदि आप आपके जिंदगी में यदि बढ़ना चाहते हो, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, रेलगाड़ी में बैठे आप प्लेटफॉर्म पर खड़े नहीं होते. 30 साल में जब आप टीचर बने और 25 साल में बने और 10 साल बाद जब आप अलग टीचर बनोगे, you will have some different pattern what you will see into that. The important question is, again, just before that, let's proceed further. You entered inside, you found, what did you find in and around the table area? Dining area के आपको क्या क्या दिखाई दिया? चलिए. What did you find in and around the table? Okay, fruits, okay.
Plants and furniture, sir.
Okay, interesting, okay, interesting, okay. Fruits, okay, lots of fruits, sunshine, okay, lots of fruits. Mushroom vegetarian, okay, interesting, okay, rice, okay, mushroom veg, okay, okay, okay. Someone said rabbit. Okay, I saw the cooking area and utensils, plants or furniture.
The chairs
flower
around the table.
Okay, okay, furniture. Okay, kettle and cup. Anyone who has not written food, flowers and people should meet me after the class. Again, I will repeat. Anyone who has written anything beyond food, flowers and people, fruits comes in the category of food. So I will not consider. किसान विकास पत्र मिला या आपको सैलरी स्लिप मिली या आपके कॉलेज का आपको फॉर्म 16 मिला या आपका बॉडी मास इंडेक्स ओके आर्टिफैक्ट्स बुक्स एंड पेंटिंग्स मिला तो कुछ गड़बड़ी है. वाइन ओके वाइन ठीक है, वाइन किस में आएगी? वाइन तो ग्लास में आएगी. परफेक्ट, ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग. लेकिन यदि कुछ लोगों को दूसरा दिखाई दिया, फ्रेंड्स, फूड एंड पीपल, फ्लावर्स एंड पीपल, it means that all of us, even though I am a tall, I am 6'2", and might be someone who is 5'2", might be some people are very handsome, and why some people are having a dark complexion, why some people are very optimistic, and why some people are gullible, susceptible. All of them are different. But when I try to understand, to know about their skills, Do I agree to understand that they are different from others? There is a very interesting topic in statistics, or might be in psychology also, we call individual differences. All 105 those who are attending this class, even though we have the same 2 ears, one nose, two eyes, receding hairline, and mouth, all of us, we have different personalities. And so it becomes mandatory for all of us to understand, boss, कुछ भी करो, वो आप जैसे बर्ताव करने वाला नहीं है. When all people think alike, no one thinks. That was the reason we believed in our philosophy, Vade Vade Jayate Tattva Bodha. Like when we agree to disagree, it's something what we are looking forward. So please remember, what is more important? It is not about whether you have the fence around you or what type of food or people you are going for. But the important question is, at the end of it, what you are doing. Again, when you came out of your house, you found the glass. What material the glass was made and what you did with that glass. दोनों बताइए. Glass किसका था? उस glass ने क्या किया? Okay, brass का था, wood का था. Okay, दोनों. और उसका आपने क्या किया वो भी बताइए. Okay. Okay, brass I drank water. Okay, gold left it there. Okay, interesting. Okay, nothing. Okay, Shoshan, okay, the glass was not there. Okay, brass I drank water. Okay, drank water. Okay, took it and placed in the same inside the hut. Okay, interesting. Made of day, I did nothing, just left it as it was. Okay, interesting. Steel, took it and placed properly in the hut. I got the responses. The how precious metal what you are using is your perceived relationship. Again, this is not the judgment, this is only the assumption. Steel, as someone says, yes, it was there, but I have left of the question what you have written in item number 1. Again, go back to it. It was of plastic, I used and I did throw. It was made of a steel, I again kept it in the hut. It was of a brass, I drank water out of that. Friends, life changes very fast. And COVID, you know how it has changed the whole world. There in the late 80s, there was this futurologist called Toffler. I don't know whether you have heard his name, Alvin Toffler. Have you heard his name? Toffler wrote 3 beautiful books, Future Wave, Third Shift, and the Rainbow Evenings. All these 3 books were Power Shift. This book spoke about using the basic equations of the statistical modeling. They said that relationship between people and people, relationship between people and places, and relationship between people and product is going to change drastically in this coming years. Again, let me tell you, लोगों का लोगों से, लोगों का जगह से और लोगों का प्रोडक्ट से बहुत बड़े पैमाने पे बदलाव आने वाला है. तो नाउ इसमें क्या होने वाला है? So this is something very important. Presently, I am in NIT Patna. Might be I go to NIT Uttarakhand. From there, I go to IIT Jodhpur. Then I go to IIT Kharagpur, or might be I go to some B school there at Ahmedabad. It's not that you are changing, but your relationship will change drastically. And again, as someone said in the beginning, the teachers are going to play a very crucial, important role, because you know, like as Aishwarya said, she has started her own YouTube channel. You cannot say no to the technology. I myself am a technologically challenged person. I get doubts. That is the reason I did not even go for the PPT in today's class. But the important question is, we don't know whether students are going to be on campus again the next semester. Whether we don't know, but then the life skills will be trying to maintain the same rapport, same worth, same warmth in your relationship, the bilateral collaboration with your subordinates, with your colleagues, with your bosses, making the life more functional and more prudent. That is something usually we go for that. Okay, and the last question. You found a water body. What the water body was meant for? बताइए, जो आपकी water body थी, वो किसकी बनी हुई थी? Ocean. Okay, ocean. Anybody else? Okay. Okay. Ocean, pond, okay.
Pond with ducks.
Okay, pond with ducks. Okay, okay, interesting. Okay, okay. Lake. Anyone who says a river? Okay, river. I can see river. Okay. Ayushman Swain says river. Shalu says waterfall. Okay. Hani says water. Sea, lake. Mariam says, Sabrin says fish pond. Nothing right and nothing wrong. But again, let me tell you, the important thing is, if you have the flowing water, it says that, okay, stream, okay, stream and spring, perfectly all right. Rainwater. If there is a flow, it means you are ready for the new experiences. Rainwater, stream, spring, river. Remember, when I say a river, when I say a flow, even for example, my mother is 86 and she has her own YouTube channel. And the interesting question is, in her heyday, she was very famous, but then now she learned the YouTube. She also learned how to record her videos with using the iPod and a tripod, and she uploads that videos. Sanskrit spiritual videos and typical self-help pattern. But the interesting case is, at the age of 86, she still has seeds of dreams for which makes her life more meaningful. Friends, this is a very interesting book called Ikigai, the Japanese secret to long and happy life. Japanese are not different than the Western people nor Indians. But whether the Indians, I'm not saying Hindus, whether you are Christian, Muslim or Parsis or might be the Jain and Marwadis, our Indian DNA is something that we try to be more flexible and we have more resilience. And that resilience allows us, unfortunately, we don't try to go to catch it regularly. Now I can see 105 people who are there in this team of Microsoft. Can you just tell me, if average all of you are 30 plus, how many of you go for rigorous 35 minutes exercise in your routine? Tell me. How many of you out of 105, how many of you go for, don't tell me I go for a morning walk for 45 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We go. I go.
Okay,
I do.
interesting. I do. Okay. Hari Kalyani. Okay. Do you run or do you go for your jog? Hari Kalyani? Aishwarya says yes. Okay. Again, let me tell you, I don't want brisk walking. I want jogging. I want to. Okay, interesting. Okay, I do. Great. All of you are raising hands. Perfectly all right. The important question is, remember, why it is important? When you run, when you sweat, when you go for Zumba, or no, I couldn't. Okay, no, I couldn't due to office timing. Okay, friends, remember one thing. Unfortunately, all of us, we believe and we strongly perceive पूरा कॉलेज का जिम्मेवारी मेरे सर पे है. बॉस, कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता. अपनी जिंदगी अपने साथ शुरू होती, अपने साथ चलती, अपने साथ खत्म होती. तो इस पूरे दरमियान, इस पूरे ठौर पे, इस पूरे दरमियान, द इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इज, हम एंजॉय करना भूल जाते हैं. दो दोस्त रात को घूमने निकले. रास्ता बड़ा था, अंधेरा था. एक ने दूसरे को पूछा, रात कितनी बाकी है? दूसरे ने जवाब दिया, रात से रास्ता दाराज है. रात तो खत्म हो जाएगी, रास्ता लंबा है. यदि आप 35 साल के हो और यदि आप 45 साल जीने वाले हो, तो आपको इंपॉर्टेंट रहेगा कि आने वाले 35 सालों में आपके रिसर्च के अलावा, आपके रिव्यू ऑफ लिटरेचर के अलावा, आपके पेपर्स, प्रोजेक्ट्स, थीसिस के अलावा जिंदगी में क्या क्या है जो आप पसंद करते हो, एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हो. इकिगाई कहती है सबसे पहले, स्टे एक्टिव, डोंट रिटायर्ड. क्या था जो आपने नया सीखा? For example, unfortunately, the statistic shows, I'm not talking about the school children and the college children. I'm not talking about something called the internet addiction. Unfortunately, all of us, we watch our Android phone for more than 130 minutes. That creates the huge problem. 130 minutes, nothing wrong. I'm not asking you to go for spirituality. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tasya Vitur Varanyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi. I'm not asking you. But beyond that, just it is as simple as taking the broom in your hand and clean the courtyard, or might be cleaning your own stairs. Physically, we are becoming very inactive. That is the major problem what all we are facing. We try to not try to climb the stairs, but we take a lift. We even to go to a nearby bazaar, we don't ride a cycle. My weight once upon a time was 118. I was conducting the workshop at Reliance at Jamnagar for their management trainees from the chemical engineering department. My lecture got over long back, about 10 years back. And then my lecture got over. One of the management trainee, he came to me and he said, "Sir, मजा नहीं आया." बोले आप lecture तो अच्छा दिए, लेकिन आप खुद देखे हो क्या? That was the alarm that it suddenly strike to me कि boss, मैं लोगों को बोलता हूँ ऐसा ऐसा जिंदगी में करना है, खुद कुछ नहीं करता. That day from 116, I came to 105 in 6 months, then 100 for 3 years, then 88 for last 6 years, and I have retained my weight. Whether it is a raining cats and dogs, whether it is scorching heat in Nagpur, because in Nagpur we have only 2 seasons, hot and very, very hot. So our day starts, me and my wife and kids, all 4 of us, we go for a cycling. So interesting cases, it's not that we exercise, but we spend our time together. It is a mundane routine of a teacher's life, and my kids, they are the teenagers, so they tell very interesting gossips, which we enjoy now. But the important case is be active all the time, which is the first life important skill. The second is take it slow. मुझे कॉलेज में ज्वाइन करके एजीपी 6000 में आके 1.5 साल हुआ, न मेरे इंस्टीट्यूट में कैश हुआ, न नया रिक्रूटमेंट ड्राइव आया. 6 से 7 में कब जाऊंगा, 7 से 8 में कब जाऊंगा, 8 से 9:30 में कब जाऊंगा, 9:30 से 10:30 में कौन जाऊंगा. Remember, one of the days you are going to die. The thing is, there are 2 types of personalities, type A and type B. Type A, these are the people, they do so many things simultaneously, but then life skill says enjoy one thing at a time. For some time, for some span, for some months, even if you don't do anything, it's perfectly normal, perfectly right. There was a psychologist called Erikson. He said something called, very interesting thing, what he said was social moratorium. हमारे भारत में नहीं, लेकिन वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में और अमेरिका में एंड बेसिकली इन यूरोप, आफ्टर द +2 12वीं के बाद बच्चा 1 साल ब्रेक लेता है. वो देखता है कि भाई जिंदगी तो चलनी है, मैं थोड़ा घूम लूं, लोगों से बात कर लूं, गांव देख लूं. जो है ना, आपने दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे, जब मूवी शुरू होती है, वो शाहरुख खान निकलता है और उसको अमरीश पुरी बोलती, यू नो द स्टोरी, वो अनुपम खेर है, अमरीश पुरी है, उसके पिताजी बोलते कि जा, यू नो, बिफोर द सिमरन को उसके पिताजी बोलते जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. The thing is, moratorium means see to it there should not be hurry all the time for all of us all the time. Surround yourself with good friends. Let me tell you, choose your mentor wisely. Mentor can be your professor, mentor can be your PhD research guide, mentor can be your director, mentor can be someone who is having strong academic caliber. You can attend their classes. You can see what language they speak, what jokes they communicate, how they gel with the students. You know, the average age of retirement and the NIT is 65. So the age will increase very fast. So in this case, it will be difficult for you. But if you have the strong mentor, and if you are a mentor with the mentees, it has a beautiful ramification and augmentation of your personal life. Not just sharing the WhatsApp good morning messages in the morning. Mentoring someone and accepting mentorship is trying to have a very productive life, what they go for. Then get in shape for your next birthday. Interesting. Birthday, you know, in our they say ki birthday is something, in Marathi they call it Shubhadinam, and we have very interesting couplets from the Sanskrit. But are you ready to program yourself for the next birthday? Is it that extra inch on your chest, or is it that the extra fit, slim face you are aiming for? So if you are leading on that path, that goes for the important things. Reconnect with the nature. Please remember, there was a psychologist called Murray. Murray says whether you are a teacher, a research scholar, or a professor, or even a director, nature is the beautiful soothing agent who increases dopamine, epinephrine, all feel good hormones in your body. Whether it cannot be a 2-day visit in a typical very costly spa or might be the jungle resort, just take a cycle, just try to see and meet people who don't belong to your fraternity. talk to people of different ages, talk to people who are sexually different, talk to people who are not from your economic strata, and see to it. As a researcher, as a teacher scholar, you get an excellent command. And the next point is communicate and connect. Unfortunately, I and my department, we have the huge consultancy of only drafting and editing the research papers. You are into academic research, no way, nothing bad about that. But the important question is, when we communicate and when we try to communicate, we fail miserably. So see to it, you learn the skills of communication. I don't want that you should improve your English. English is a foreign language. Whether it is the diphthongal glide, whether it is a table or a table, whether they speak the European English or the Indian English, that is irrelevant. If we call envelope and not envelope, it is perfectly all right. But then even they cannot pronounce Balasubramaniam as Balasubramaniam. So when I speak about the communication, these are the something basic pattern what we are going for. And the last life skill what we say is having the gratitude and say thanks. Friends, in this typical pattern of this pandemic, also all of you, 104 participants, you were attentively listening to my module for more than about say 80 minutes. The questions are many. सूरज क्यों उगता है, हवा क्यों चलती है, घास हरा क्यों है, गुलाब गुलाबी क्यों है, या गत 80 मिनट से आप मुझे क्यों झेल रहे थे। भाई आपकी कोई टेस्ट होगी तो जिसके लिए आपको आपके कैमरे बंद करके बैठना पड़ेगा, वो अलग चीज होगी। लेकिन हम जब क्रिटिकल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग की बात करते हैं या लाइफ स्किल की बात करते हैं, एक ही बात ध्यान में रखिए, नो मैन इज एन आइलैंड। So whether it is a Sony Kurukshetra or the Rivti Chand or the Diksha Singh or whether the Pawan Patel or the Aishwarya or the Shurveer, remember that Ano Bhadra Kratavo Yantu Vishwataha. Whatever is good. Deepak was kind enough. He did forward me in the morning the news item which was published in Patna about this research scholar and how to go about the review of literature and Shodh Prabandha mein kya hona chahiye. This is interesting. In fact, this virtual platform is allowing all of us to connect so beautifully, so seamlessly. So thank you, Deepak. For the first time, I used Microsoft Teams. I was comfortable with the WebEx and Google and the Sampark. Sampark is also a new platform I am using. But then, remember one thing. Sahana bhavatu sahano bhunattu sahaviryam karvavahe tejasvinam vaditamastu ma vidvishavahe. We as teachers, we as research scholars, we as human beings who want to make our life more prudent, instead of treading on a path of only one binary tunnel, let's explore to have the bird's eye view to make our life more meaningful, more purposeful. So with my age, it allows me to give blessings to all those who are just 29 and 32. Blessings to all of you, and I wish all of you best in your life. Thank you very much. Anyone having any query, doubt or a suggestion, please 10 minutes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So can you name the second book, sir, that we were talking about, sir? The name of the second book.
Yeah, okay. I will share with the WhatsApp with the Deepak. Okay, both the books I will share the headings and even the e-copies I have with me. I will share the books.
Sure, sir. That would be great, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
If any questions from the participant, please ask.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, what is mean by skill, sir? Actually, एक skill बहुत सुना है सर. Skill means क्या है? मुझे मेरे बच्चों के लिए बहुत टेंशन हो रहा है. अभी तो we have done. We got a job. We are happily taking care of them. अभी बच्चों को जब बड़ा करना है तो skill बहुत परेशानी हो रही है सर इसमें. What is mean by skill?
Skill is not a talent. Skill is not an aptitude. Aptitude is innate ability. Like Sachin Tendulkar failed in his 12th commerce exam for 6 times. But people will never criticize him. But then if I say Sachin Tendulkar is a demigod of a cricket, they say demigod thodi hai, wo to Bhagwan hai. So for Sachin Tendulkar, for people, he's the god. So the important thing is skill cannot be the basic virtue attributes. The important thing is whether some templates which might help you to live the meaningful life. again, let me tell you, there are no testaments and the templates ready. Satya, there is a very interesting Taittiriya Upanishad. I think Pawan Patel sir was having. Upanishad says very interesting, like what one should do, what one should not do. Satyam vada, dharmam chara, swadhyayanna pramaditavyam, deva pitru karyabhyam pramaditavyam, matrudevo bhava, pitrudevo bhava. Come on, they're all templates, theoretical constructs. But skill basically is not the guide, but a golden key to make your life more effortless is something what we are calling for. Okay. Thank you, Deepak. I hope they have asked the questions.
I'll ask if any questions they have. If any questions, please ask. I don't think they have any questions because it's an interactive session. It is an interactive session. So I don't think they have any questions related to this. So I think with this, thank you, sir, for your inspiring. This is not a lecture, rather it is an interactive session with our participants. I will share certain things that in the morning session, participant requested me, sir, could you please send us a PPT of our second and third lecture? But I didn't reply anything because I know about your lectures because you have already, we met in NIT Uttarakhand. But I told that if sir has any PPT, then I will share with you. But I know the information that you are not going to use any PPT because your section is completely different from others. So I didn't mention about this, but I'm sure that now participant understood that if the students are not interested in the class, how you can create that atmosphere, how can create the environment by your putting your skills, that what talking about, sir, the skill in the technology. When we enter into NIT or IIT, the first term itself is a technology and skill. These two frequently used. So don't be confused that skill means you have to be a different world or a hypothetical world. So it's not like that. And I'm sure that our participants enjoyed this session. And with this, thank you, sir, for accepting my invitation.
Thank you, sir.
This session was quite interesting for us.
Deepak, some people are asking my number and email ID. So I have shared my number. So my WhatsApp number I have given to them. Okay.
Okay, so no issue, sir. If they need your number also, I can also share with them.
Yeah, please. Thank you, okay. Deepak. Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So with this, I think I will just stop here. And I want to share certain things to the participant that as we are moving towards the last session, I mean last day that is on 18th, and we have 3 sessions. That is will taken by Professor Ramakar Jha, Dr. Sukhdev Singh, and Professor Om Prakash. It is scheduled for tomorrow. And let me tell you certain things that before we complete this session, I mean of today, that there will be a mandatory test for all the participants. So in the sense, there will be a questions and you need to answer it, and not in this class, but rather we'll give you a link, maybe in Microsoft Teams link or like Google Form link. You just need to fill it and just submit that particular form, because it is a mandatory to score it around 60% marks. 60%. I'm not talking about 60 marks, rather it is 60% marks, because the AICTE, that is Atal will provide you the e-certificate. So once you give the exam, once it will be evaluated, then everything will be recorded, then only you will get the certificate. So I request those who have participated, please also join that particular session that will be scheduled after 4:30. Yes, after 4 o'clock. Sorry, after 4 o'clock. That validatory session will be around 30 minutes. Then after that, we have a test session. And
Deepak sir, just wanted to make a request, but that time I would be in bus. We travel back from a college, so can that
sufficient time? Not about another 2 hours. So it will be, I think it will be connected to everyone.
So what time? Can you just repeat?
Once our validity is over, so all the participants and it
Sir, there is a lot of disturbance.
Actually, there is lot of disturbances. Cannot.
uh,
Not audible,
Your
sir.
voice is breaking,
Deepak sir,
sir.
not
Your voice
audible.
is breaking.
just a minute, just a minute. I will mute everyone, then I can speak. What I'm telling is that we have a validatory session at 4 o'clock, and after 4, I think it will take around another half an hour. Then after that, we'll open the link, and we'll also share the particular link to all of you. And you will get a sufficient time. It's not about the 30 minutes or 15 minutes. We'll give you a sufficient time, maybe 2 hours or maybe 3 hours. Then once it will complete, then we'll close that particular link. So I don't think there will be any issue about this. So anything you want to ask, you can just put in the chat box. I can read and I can answer also. Not 4:30. Once it will complete, then I will inform, and it will be also shared in WhatsApp, in mail, and in chat box also. We will use all this mode so that it can reach to you. Anything you want to share, you can share in the chat box, or else you can stop at this point. It is for the only registered candidate, not for others, those who have not registered.